Hey friends, today I'm super excited because I'm going to show you something that's been a total game changer in how I make meals, drinks and nut milks at home. So this is the Panasonic all-in-one hot and cold blender. And it's not just a blender, it's actually my new favorite all-round kitchen friend. Now what makes this blender so unique is that it doesn't just blend. It cuts, heats, blends, and even cooks all in the one jug. So whether you're making a hearty soup, or a fresh smoothie, or a homemade nut milk, you just pop the ingredients in, select your setting, and let it handle the rest. Now normally a hot, hearty soup would take, at least 45 minutes with the prepping and the chopping and the sweating down the ingredients and the cooking. But with the Panasonic preset cooking menu here, it chops and cooks everything in the one place. And I don't have to babysit it on the stovetop or even give it a stir, not even once. There are 10 automatic menus that take care of everything from hot meals like porridge or tomato soup to chilled drinks like fruit juice or almond milk. It even handles delicate recipes like chocolate mousse. And inside, 3 powerful stainless steel blades and 4 clever mixing grooves help to keep everything circulating smoothly. That means no need for stirring mid-blend and everything stays perfectly consistent. I also love the keep warm feature. Your food or drinks stay toasty at around 55 degrees, and the timer means you can set it up before bed or work and come back to a warm meal ready to go. I love that. Now cleanup is super easy too. Just give it a quick rinse and hit the clean button. It heats up to 70 degrees while spinning at high speed, wiping out any stains or odors. Now my clever friends at Panasonic also nailed the safety features. It automatically shuts off if the lid is open or the jug is removed. Plus the glass jug can handle high heat, cold liquids and everything in between. Even the venting system underneath keeps things cool while the blender's working hard. So whether you're after convenience, versatility, or just fewer dishes to clean, this blender's got you covered. The Panasonic hot and cold blender isn't just another appliance, it's your shortcut to smarter cooking. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.